Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I wanted to do a short and easy tutorial, and since I've been playing New Horizons nearly every day now, I made a tutorial for a whole brand new Imperial bed. Okay, I'm just kidding, I made the leaf icon for items, but it's close enough. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The Minky can be switched for felt, fleece, or whatever fabric you have laying around. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is linked in the description and it's for free from my DeviantArt. If you scale it up, you can make it big enough to be a huge item cushion or even keep it small for Animal Crossing cosplays. The first thing you need to do is to pin the green stem onto the leaf base so it curves around the top half, and use a running stitch or back stitch to sew it onto the side with no tracing. Repeat this on the second side so it reflects the side you just completed. Take both of the main pieces with the tracing on the outside and starting from the top of the stem, begin sewing around the leaf. Once you've come to the end of the bottom side of the stem, with the remaining open hole, flip it the right way up, stuff the plush with PolyFil and close off the gap with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make an item leaf plush. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!